Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about string in TypeScript. Okay, the string, how many ways we can able to create means two ways. Okay, first way we can able to create with the data type and second type we can able to create a without data type as well. With the data type, how we can able to create a var str colon a string is the data type and I'm going to assign a value as Lokesh. Okay, and second type we can without creating a data type we can able to create our value directly. I can able to create like this. Both the ways we can able to create and we can able to achieve by using string format. Okay, and here we have so many methods as well. In a string method we have so many methods. First method we can able to see caret. Sorry, char at. This is the one we can able to read from inside the string what all the values are there, right? That values we can able to read by using caret. How we can able to read the string having Lokesh. Okay, I want to read the first value of L. Then how we can able to read it? Console dot log, and here I can able to mention str dot caret. Okay, and here I can able to mention the 0 position. Okay, if I provide the 0 position, then it will read for first value. If I'm going to read 1, 2, 3, fourth value, means third value 3, because the string is start with the value as 0 position onwards. Okay, I'm saving now this one. Just I'm going to create my file. TCS compiling now. I'm compiling string 1. If I'm hitting this one, it will create for my JS file. Okay, once I provide the JS file, we can able to node space dot uh, string 1 dot JS. See, 1 and E printed. Okay, this is a one method caret. This is a caret. We can able to read the data, and also we can able to concatenate it. There is another method called concatenating. Concat. This is a method to two strings we can able to concatenate into a single one. Okay, and I'm changing this particular name. Welcome to, I'm mentioning here space India. I'm mentioning like this. Okay, now I'm going to make it for concatenating for these two values. How we can able to concatenate a console dot log. Inside that I'm going to do it for str dot concatenate. There is a method called concatenate is presented. Concat, and I'm going to mention which string you want to add it. String 1. String 1 I want to. If you have third value also you want to add it, then you can use another one concat, and you can able to mention that value also, which is the variable you want to add it. That many times you can able to add it in a single row. Okay, once you add it, then you can able to print it. Okay, again we need to compile, and then we need to run. See, welcome to India. The value is displayed here now. Okay, this is a one format. Okay, even we have another method in the string format method, replace. Any value we can able to replace it. If you want to replace the word, if you want to replace the character, both the cases you can able to replace. For this I'm going to var str2, and I'm going to declare as a data type string, and I'm going to provide the value welcome. Okay, and this welcome I want to change the value I value. I need to change. Okay, how we can able to use the changing? Console dot log, and str2 dot a replace. Replace is a function, we can able to use the replace, and it will ask you for, there are two things. One is what exactly you want to replace the word, and replacing value, which is a replace file, that is like a starting one and ending one, which is the one you want to do it. Okay, we need to specify two values. One, which one we need to change. I'm going to change for L. And what value you want to replace in that particular location, we can able to mention hi. We can able to change like this. You can able to replace that word into that particular location. Okay, if you compile again, if you run now, you can see, sorry, str1 came, sorry. Two. I mentioned str2, that's why it is not come back properly. See, in I place it is replaced, for L place it is replaced to hi. Okay, even you can able to, in the word, complete word is there, you want to replace that entire word, we can able to do it. Same method, just you can able to specify what method you want to do it. I want to replace the complete welcome and hello. I want to replace by using welcome to hello. You can see now, after saving, again I'm going to comparing compilation for that, and after that I'm running file. See, it is replace that value. This is a way we can able to replace any value. Even in another programming language like Java and Python, other languages, we have split. Whenever the string is having some multiple words or multiple characters, we want to change it. Sorry, not change, is a split. Split is nothing but you have 10 words. In the 10 words, you want to divide and you need to read the values. Okay, how we can able to do it? Yes, basically we can able to make it where location. Okay, and the location I'm going to make it for string type, and value I'm going to mention inside that Bangalore space Anantapur, and I'm going to use for Hyderabad. Okay, these are the words I have. I want to read it, or I want to do it like a replace that. Sorry, I want to split this value by using a space. We can able to split by using space or by using comma. Anything which is a specification, that particular location, like any value, now some specification is present there, right? If you specify that split location, it will take that split and it will do it. Okay, for here I'm going to do it for log, and I'm going to do for location 1 dot split. Inside the split, what exactly we need to split? The space, which is the white space is presented, that white space we need to split it. If I want to make it like, now you can see, now I'm running first. Now you see, array format it is displayed. Now another one I'm going to show you here itself. Same one, I'm going to use it here. Just I'm inside that, after a single quotation, just I'm making one comma. Okay, here I'm mentioning for one. See, look at it, what will happen in here, miracle. See, Bangalore is displayed. The first position value it is displayed. If you want second position, second you can mention. Third means you can mention this. Like this, we can able to read after splitting in the array, which is the value you want to display. That position value, if you specify that particular position value, it will split show you. This is another advantage it is having. split functionality. We can able to declare index position of reading also. After it is reading, we can able to specify that particular position. If you provide the specific position, it will show you like this below how it is showing, right? If I mention one, Bangalore is the first position, then it will give you the Bangalore one. That is a one format. Okay. And another one is substring. Substring is another concept. If you specify the position, the substring of which is the word it is presented, in that particular word, I want in the specific values. You can able to provide the starting position and ending position. If you provide that starting position, ending position, then it will provide you in that particular word format only. Okay, how you can able to see that one? We can able to, I'm going to create another one where str3 and I'm going to directly assigning a value welcome to India. Then I'm going to use it as console.log and here I'm going to mention for str3 dot substring. Okay, substring. In the substring I'm going to mention for starting position and ending position of that. Starting position is 0 and the ending position I'm going to make it for 5. Okay, starting position is 0, ending position is 5. Then I'm going to make it save and I'm going to compile again and again I'm going to run for this file. Now you can see 5 letters are came, but as per this condition 0 to 5 means it will become a 0 to 6 values, right? Because the string value start with a 0. Then if it is 1 means it will be 1 to 5. If it is 0 means 0 to 4 values. If you mention 5, 5 value will not be displayed because it is a sixth position. It will before that, which is the position you're going to tell you, right? That position it will comes. Okay. And then we have similar format of Java and other languages. We have to uppercase to lowercase. Any string we can able to make it for uppercase and lowercase also. How we can able to make it for uppercase and lowercase? Which is a string it is having, right? str3 I'm going to mentioning and here again str3 dot to uppercase I mentioned for uppercase. This is my uppercase. Now I'm going to print it for my console log and str3. Okay, now if you run this one after say compile this one, don't directly run and you need to compile, then you need to run it. Okay, see, welcome to India. It is uppercase now, right? If you want to do back to lowercase, then how we can able to use it? str3 equal to str3 dot to lowercase. Now it is lowercase. Now again I'm going to read for my console with str3. Okay. Now if I'm run again, which is welcome, it is a capital letter. Now again it will go back to lowercase. Now compiled. Now I run it. See, again it is lowercase. Okay. And also we have another function which is trim method. Trim. A trim having three different methods. One is normal trim and another one is trim right side, trim left side. If you specify the one word with the trim location. Okay. Now I'm going to make it for trim this one and I'm going to make it for space my trim. Again here is a space. Okay, now I space both the places are space right side and left side, both the cases having for spaces now. Okay, now you can see console.log and I'm going to mention for tree.trim. I'm going to mention for trim. Now after that, trim right side. We have trim start, trim end. Okay. Now I'm going to, after saving, I'm going to compiling now. Oh, sorry. Okay. Property trim end does not exist. So do you want to change the library? Trim left and rights are not there right now. Okay, they converted to trim end and start, then it is not taking for end position. Okay, first we'll see for starting position. Start also not working. Okay, we'll see. The start, we have first we'll see the trim completely starting and ending. What all the space are there, completely it is removed. Okay, and then we have trim dot. See, to left to right methods are gone. Now in the present it is not using right now. For assigning the string, the trim is a disappearant and declaration was makes as a disappeared here to right here to remove the trailing white space and the line terminate character from the string. It is basically it will use for this particular method from the string. Now it is disappear. Okay, we'll see still it will work or not. I am not sure. Starting position it will work, but why it is not working for the starting also I'm not understanding. Now the compiler is going to end it. Okay, to right and to left are start end positions. I'll explain you for next video session because it is like last time it is when I'm checking it is working. Now it is gone. And then I'll recheck one more time for this to right and to left. If it is any alternative functions are presented, then I'll explain you in the next video session. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.